Welcome back. Let's get into it. I have a bunch of random things, and yes, I have a market. I decided to make this because I thought it was cute. Well, I bought it because I thought it was cute. I didn't think it was going to be this small, but it's a cute little stand. This is probably the real reason I'm doing this unmolding now, because I had to redo this first pancake, and fuck me, there's a fucking bubble. I'm just gonna have to drop a little drop of resin in there to fix that. Okay, that's that. Can I catch it? I catch it. Alright, let's see. These are quickish. Oh shoot, you probably hear my fan. Wow. Yeah, y'all probably were hearing that loud as hell in the background. I made some more pull knobs because someone came and bought a set. Set is 4. I do like 1 for 10, 4 for 35. So there's one. Let's see if these are gonna come out nice. Then I made some. They bought a variety. I forgot to put on my gloss. Ooh. Okay, hold on now. These are always so like temperamental. Ooh, okay, that's interesting. It's an interesting color. It's obviously leftovers from what you call this, which is how most of these are. What time now? Oh, giving myself 5 minutes to do this. Ooh. Come on, baby. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, that's pretty. See, because it separates. Well, it seeps through the separation, I should say, because it's a 2-part mold. So that's why that little ring keeps coming around it like it's Saturn. There we go. But I could peel this off and smooth it down. So by the time they sell, it's smooth. I'm not selling them looking like this because that would be crazy. A bunch of little miscellaneous something I'm doing. I made a little horseshoe. I was hoping it would be darker, like a darker gold, because in this it looks much darker. But what's that? What else? Oh, a couple bangle. Oh, this is a pretty color. This is giving mermaid. This actually goes with what I'm wearing, like up here. So I love this. You can see like the luminescence. It's like bluish green. Love it, love it. This one. See, there's something this is a pour batch. Well, not this whole thing, because obviously, as you can see, there's something in my. But this works out in this favor though, because I don't have to worry about crabbing up my hand. And then there it is. But yeah, but see, it's scratching me right there, so I still gotta smooth this down. The glitter always makes it a little, what you call it. This one I'm taking out just because I messed up on the this was a last minute pour. This was not, so I wasn't intending on making a soap dish, but the resin started hardening and I was like, oh no, this is going in something. So I put it in this, and I honestly, I love this. Like, this looked good. Yeah, this looked real good. All the bubbles in there you can see, because it was not properly, whatchamacallit, before it was poured, but it come all the way around. And I have some iridescent stuffs in there, so it looks even more iridescent than like the bangle. I just pour the rest of that on the back of this. I love this. It definitely gives bubble bath, but also I did it like this because I can catch it, so, and it's something I'm gonna probably drill a hole down here so it can run off. So yeah, I love it. I love it. This, I really need to take this out. That's half the reason why I'm doing this also. The other half for that coaster. And for this, I don't have a popsicle stick. No, sir. I got a toothpick. Let's see if the toothpick works. Where are we at? Oh, I got 1 minute left. Ah. Oh, geez. See, this, I did the last layer just now. So I put it on the curing machine, but it's probably not going to be as thorough because it's the bottom part that is on top of the machine, and I don't know if how it transfers, because of course the bottom part was already cured. So yeah. Oh my gosh, come on, because I don't have no cups on my table. I was like, I want a cup so the people them can know some have card tray and them things there available, you know. Look how this something start. Listen, yeah, I gotta replace this. Definitely gotta replace this. Come. It's like a name up 5 minutes now. I know. Of course, this is a Frankenstein because I was just pouring stuffs as I was doing it. I was pouring it as I was doing stuffs, I should say. I want to know them something that grieve me. I don't. This is why there's none on the table, because every time I have to think about taking these out of the mold, I'm like, ja, why me? I'm about to lose a nail over the mold. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Come. All right. Oh, okay. That's that part. Get part 2. Come on, put the toothpick. Something I'm gonna sweat. Oh, ignore the crap behind me. Okay. Toothpick no want to use. All right, now. Okay, see, it's not all the way cured, so actually let me stand this up because that's not done. By the time I get where I'm going though, it'll be ready to be displayed. I'll clean off the edges and all of that. Oh my goodness gracious. All right. Okay, so what does it look like now? Take this part off. Jenny. Here we go. You see we got the pinks and the golds and the black. All of it's in there. All right. Okay, so we got a cup, soap dish, a stand, 2 bangle, 3 pull knob, a horseshoe, and a fixed pancake. All right, so make sure you subscribe to All Things Pointless, and whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye.